The Federal Reserve and Treasury are extending a couple of lifelines to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Shares of the mortgage companies have plunged recently, and their losses have threatened their financial survival. Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson says he plans to ask Congress to increase Fannie and Freddie's credit limits and, if necessary, make equity investments to the companies.
Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac play a central role in our housing finance system and must continue to do so in their current form as shareholder-owned companies. Their support for the housing market is particularly important as we work through the current housing correction.
Secretary Paulson says he's also looking to consult the Fed about any new rules Congress proposes for the lenders. The Fed's role would be to weigh in on setting capital requirements for the companies. In a separate plan, the Fed says it's given the Federal Reserve Bank of New York the green light to lend to the two mortgage companies if they need it. The mortgage financiers would pay 2.25% for any borrowed funds. That's the same interest rate given to commercial banks and Wall Street firms. Fed Chairman Bernanke and company say that move should help Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, quote, promote the availability of home mortgage credit during a period of stress in financial markets. The Treasury and Fed plans are also meant to let nervous investors around the world know the U.S. government is willing to do everything it can to prevent further problems in the credit markets. Carlotta Bradley, The Associated Press.